Hard work and smart work both play a crucial role in one's creation. As Emmanuel Apetzi once said, be humble, ambitious, and always try to be the most competent worker wherever you find yourself. Don't just work hard. Think smart, work smart. So first of all, what is hard work and how can we differentiate between the two? Well, hello Gritty Hustlers, welcome to Focus by Samarth Srivastava. In today's topic, we will discuss what is the difference between hard work and smart work and what value it adds to our life. So first of all, let's differentiate between the two on basis of several factors. Point number 1, quality versus quantity. Hard work exclusively relies on putting in grueling hours and guarantees to achieve the target, which means lots of effort and physical toll on the body. It prefers quantity over quality. So it can simply be defined as putting in strenuous hours for doing a certain task or tasks. Smart work refers to finding effective and efficient ways to complete one or multiple tasks while also managing time and quality both. So when it comes to smart work, it promotes quality and quantity both. Point number 2, approach. Hard work involves conventional approach to handle any task without finding any other flexible ways to complete it. The process involved in hard work is relatively simple, with a direct approach to completing the set task in the required amount of time without any prior planning. Smart work explores effective ways to accomplish work, be it delegating, prioritizing, or organizing the working process in a smarter way. It does not include the conventional set of skills as they vary from person to person and require time to develop. Some of them are coming up with creative and rational ideas, adapting to situations quickly, networking and strong communication skills. Point number 3, process. Hard work involves simpler processes with a direct approach to complete a certain amount of work in a particular amount of time, whereas smart work involves a flexible process with essential emphasis on planning, delegating tasks, organizing a team in a particular way, and prioritizing schedules to achieve the set objectives. Now, one point that you will be getting from these lines is that hard workers are people who are goal-focused and study in depth without realizing the limitation of time. Here is exactly where smart work comes into play. Sharply using your brain and by administering your analytical reasoning skills, you can achieve your target in comparatively lesser time with minimal usage of resources and energy consumption. Let's focus our complete attention towards hard work and understand it deeply. Hard work involves commitment and seriousness to the task. It means devoting all your time to the study without prioritizing any other job. Working hard also means working honestly and taking up the entire responsibility for your task. Harder you work, the luckier you get. The only chance of failure is if you don't try in the first place. Hard work is often associated with strenuous physical labor. Now, what is smart work then? Smart work does not include the conventional set of skills as they vary from person to person and require time to develop. Some of them are coming up with creative and rational ideas, adapting to situations quickly, networking and strong communication skills, possessing updated knowledge of all the aspects of work, being able to take tough decisions at the right time, knowing where to put in your time and money. Now, how to identify if you are working smartly or just wasting your time by not utilizing it? Several methods can be used. For example, you should be working hard, but intelligent decision making should be promoted. You should be well aware of your goal sets all the time. You should be able to manage your time well. You should know what impact smart work brings to your life. Now, in simple language, hard work is more straightforward method involving more physicality, less creativeness, less focus towards future goal sets, but complete dedication and seriousness towards whatever you are working currently. It's like a missile on a mission. Whereas smart work is more comprehensive in approach, you need to have rare skill sets, good time management formula, focus towards future goal sets, and more importance to brain is given along with physicality. It's like autopilot mode where everything is already planned and already looked up to. Now to conclude, one can choose between the two and still be successful without a doubt. But to be efficient, you should be a smart working person who works hard, thereby satisfying both the criteria at the same time. As Bill Gates once said, I choose a lazy person to do a hard job, because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it.